是陈淑妹，广东人，今年是86岁。我没有结婚，本来就是将来都是一个人。我以前就做裁缝的，后来就做了差不多20多年。
I've known Madam Chan for about 5 years now, and I always know her as a very positive and very cheerful senior. Also thankful to the census program, we know her daily patterns really well, and she wakes up at 4 or 5 o'clock and she takes a walk in the neighborhood, even going to East Coast Park to exercise. Thereafter she comes back and take a rest for a while, and in the daytime when she's free, she comes to our center for activities where she mingles with other seniors. And she feels that the census is a very reassuring way to ensure that we would always know that she is safe, and she has always shared with me that if she faints or she falls down, she knows that we are around to help her.
In Madam Chan's home, we have 2 types of sensor. Motion sensor. Whenever there's movement in the kitchen or living room, you will sense data. And we have a door contact sensors to track whether Madam Chan goes in or out of her home. We are using this Care Senior solution on the TCUP platform.
The TCS Connected Universe platform is an interesting solution which captures data from multiple data sources, which are nothing but IoT devices from where data is captured, and then data is massaged, and irrespective of what the device is. So we are what we call device agnostic platform. So the whole idea is to capture data from these devices, put it into the platform and do analytics on the platform, and then provide that information back. See, Sensei actually stands for Senior Citizen App. Okay? And what we are able to build in the app is, other than what we do on the IoT device, which is picking the behavior of an elderly, we've been able to see is there a way by which the elderly can connect to the ecosystem around the world. And the Sensei app is essentially the app which helps them to connect to the outside world.
So it has a feature inside where they will be informed of the events happening in the area, where they can click on the events and volunteer their service for it. Yeah. And then with their participation in events or volunteers, they will get community points. With their community points, they can actually buy grocery on their apps to actually support their daily living. Yeah. And lastly, this particular telehealth feature on the Sensei app is very useful. Like in Madam Chan's case, there's some alerts from the system. A nurse may be called in to actually talk to the elderly and then look at her medical data that can be pulled out from TCUP.
In Singapore, by 2030, 1 in 4 Singaporeans will be considered seniors. Technology helps people like Madam Chan, and she really benefited from the care that was given to her in a timely manner. And not just her, but also her friends who are also in the Marine Terrace estate, who are part of the Care Seniors program. And imagine expanding that program to nationwide throughout Singapore, and to the region in ASEAN, and to the global context.
Tata Consultancy Services is a technology company, and our aim is to provide meaningful technology which will make an impact in the society. And we genuinely believe that technology at the end of it has to touch an individual or a society.
我没有忧愁，又没有说希望什么。我现在这样老了，已经很高兴的了。